Welcome to the power of GemHub. We're thrilled to share some exciting new features and updates with you. In just 3 minutes and 2 seconds, we will explore our redesigned interface along with powerful new tools that will help supercharge your sales. Let's take a quick look at what's changed and why you'll love it. To start, you'll find 3 tabs at the top for easy navigation: Gallery, Products, and Collections. In the Gallery, the new menu in the lower left corner offers 3 powerful tools: Zoom in, Zoom out, and Aspect Ratio Grid. Use the Aspect Ratio Grid to keep your images in their true proportions. No more squished visuals. The zoom features give you greater control over your viewing experience. You can also use the intuitive 2-finger pinch gesture for seamless navigation. We've added a timestamp at the top for easy tracking of your uploads. Now, you can see every image in a collection at a glance. In the Products tab, viewing, managing, and sharing your products has never been easier. Use the filter button in the top left corner to customize how you view your products, or simply browse through the Collections ribbon at the top. Ready to share? Just select your items and hit Share Product. With just one click, you'll generate a beautifully formatted link that looks super professional and provides your customers access to detailed information and high-quality images. They can also inquire about your products directly from the link you send them. Say goodbye to low-res photos and missed sales. It's time to supercharge your sales. In the Collections tab, you can effortlessly view, manage, and share your collections. Just click Manage or tap the 3-dot menu to print your collections directly from the app. Now, let's dive into the camera experience. We've streamlined the setup for you. Simply select your device, and you'll see a control panel with 3 powerful modes. White background, perfectly optimized for the Gem Lightbox Pro. Eclipse mode, ideal for striking black backgrounds with Eclipse accessories. Neutral mode, captures your environment just like a standard phone camera. To the right of the camera button, discover GemAI, your gateway to powerful automation tools for photography and product management. In the Photography tab, GemHub Pro users unlock features like Create Model Image, Remove Background, and Retouching. Choosing Retouching will also automatically remove the background for you, making your workflow effortless. In the Product Listing tab, tap into automation capabilities like automatic SKU generation. You can also streamline the creation of titles, descriptions, and product type detection. Prefer not to use automatic SKUs? Simply deselect that option. Thank you for being part of our community of over 20,000 jewelers worldwide. For more helpful tips and tutorials, head to your profile section and select Tutorials. Don't forget to follow us on social media. If you have any questions, our support team is here to help. Together, let's redefine what's possible.